My name is Billy Fradys, and I'm a victim of being bullied at my job. So, my name is Billy Fradys, and I'm actually an online entrepreneur that was bullied by my boss and coworkers at a regular 9 to 5 job. And I actually have been working online for, I'd say, over about 10, 15 years. And before that, I was, working in a regular 9 to 5 job. And I was bullied by my boss and some of my coworkers, and I just had enough. And the reason I'm making this video is because I want to show that it's possible for anyone who wants to be successful. Even if you've been working a regular 9 to 5 job most of your life, or maybe maybe don't have a college degree, you're a college dropout, and the way you do that is through self-education. So when I was working a for this boss of mine, he was bullying me relentlessly, along with some of my coworkers. And my family and friends would tell me, just put up with it because it would be very difficult to find another job. They would tell me that everyone go through that at their job, at one point or another, and just to suck it up. But I knew that there was more to life than just working for someone who was a bully. I knew there was more to life than just going to college, getting a 9 to 5 job, and retiring at 65. Now that's okay if that's what you want to do, but I knew that there was more to life. I want to travel the world. I wanted to make more money. I wanted to live a life, and work on my own schedule. I want to work for myself, and I wanted to live life the way it was meant to be. You know, Back in the early to mid 2000s, I decided that I wanted to not work for anyone else. Just to be bullied by some crazy boss and coworkers. So I decided to pursue my dreams full time. I knew what I wanted out of life, so I was prepared to do anything to get there. And that's exactly what I did. Between all my businesses combined, I think I've done around $25,000 profit this month, and that was all done in this room where I work out of every single day. Now that may not be as much as maybe most of the other gurus out there, but that's a lot of money for someone who the most money he ever made was $30,000 in a year. Now I'm sure you see a lot of people like me trying to sell you stuff, and trying to get you, sign up for webinars. That's not why I'm here today. I just wanted to show you my life and my experience and tell you that that I try to document all my online businesses through my blog and YouTube channel. I'm really transparent. I don't hide how I make money. I don't hide, how much money I've made. I try to do as many blogs or videos, about how to make money through affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, through maybe selling on Amazon, through all this different stuff. So if you want to, you can go ahead and click somewhere on this video, and actually it'll take you to my YouTube channel, and you can go ahead and subscribe and check out some of my older videos. See how I make money, see my progress, my journey. I have pretty good content through here and through my link. Next thing is I want you to share this with one of your family members or maybe your friends, and show them that it is possible to build an online business and to make a full-time income online. Because believe me, when I first started out, telling my family and telling my friends what I was doing, they thought I was crazy and wasting my time. I started out selling cat bracelets online through Shopify. Everyone was like, "Why are you selling cat bracelets, Billy?" And I'm like, "Well, I heard it's a good product that sells online." And of course, I failed through one. That was one of my first online businesses, but it was a part of my journey and my experience. And so I've learned through my failures, and I'm just progressing. So if you're going through some of those failures and you're trying to make it, with an online business, I encourage you to check out my YouTube channel and see if any of my channels provide any value to you. And if they do, go ahead and subscribe. If you like my videos. So I hope to see you on my channel, and I hope to see you on some of my other future videos. And let's go ahead and crush it for this year and the next.